Good morning, assalamu alaikum, student. Hope you are fine. Captain Noor, how are you? Captain Asifur Rahman. Asif, how are you? Captain Asif, can you hear me? Asif, where is my seer? Seer, are you there?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay, how are you? Fine?
Sir,
Did
fine,
you do
sir.
the assignment? Assignment
Sir.
1 and 2.
Sir, yes, sir. I have deposited this assignment, sir.
Okay, good. Abdullah, who is that? Abdullah, roll 1. 2021 14001. Roll 1. Can you hear me? Abdullah? Abdullah শুনতে পাচ্ছ না? আজকে তো অনেক স্টুডেন্ট দেখতেছি।
না দিতে বলো না এই
Humaira Akhtar. Humaira Akhtar. Did I introduce with you earlier? Humaira? Humaira Akhtar.
Yes, sir.
You are from which college?
I am from Ideal School and College.
Very good. Thank you. Captain Imtiaz, are you there? Imtiaz.
স্যার আসসালামু আলাইকুম স্যার
Very good. এই যে আমার মিষ্টি স্টুডেন্ট আছে কিনা? So gentlemen, now we are directly go to the today's topic. Let's check whatever you did your or not. Like in the Google Classroom, I can find out what solve the problem, how many solve, how many don't solve. Okay. She is CSC 21. So CSC 21, Sonia Shaheen, lots of big writing. How can I read all? Okay, wait, class work. দেখি কি লিখেছো, what are those comment? I want to know that give material key comments. Oh acha, can you please provide us recording of all? There was a, sir, if you provide the recordings of all class, it would be really helpful. Please provide us. Okay, thank you. Inshallah, I will do so today. I'll try. Okay. Next. Classwork. Assignment 1. Assignment 1, you see your status. In assignment 1, total student is 88 students in my list, but I have seen that only 57 turned in. That means 57 deposit. Who didn't deposit? You see your name here. I can see it very, check it very easily. You see that Abrar Mahabub, Atikur Rahman, Devuduti Shen. They don't deposit. Do brother, I don't know who is that do brother. And Naul Marjan, Paim Tajwar, Kurubi, Shazrina, Jawadul Kore, Jawadul Rahman, Jawadur Rahman, why didn't you deposit? Are you there? Jawadur Rahman? Mean or mean, I don't know.
Sir, Assalamu alaikum. Sir, I am new at class, so I cannot.
Okay. So today you have joined first class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. But you just go through the Google Classroom. Whatever slide I have given to you, you go through. As well as today I'll upload the previous videos. So I think you can take help from there. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I think one information is for you. You all know better than me, but there is a schedule of your CT1. I will take the CT1 on 6th May. It is on 6th May. So remember it. CT1 syllabus is from now onwards is that whatever I have complete in my class, this is the syllabus. So from this week, I think I will complete the differentiability continuity also. So in the time, we'll complete the differentiation also. So I think this, including differentiation, it is your syllabus for the city. Domain is to differentiation. For your study, it is actually a bit pressure, but you have to take it for understanding and clear the all problems you can understand and you can solve it in the exam hall. So those who are new, I don't know, but old, you see that you don't deposit your task, deposit your assignment. This is the thing. Anybody have any problem? You must communicate with me here in the Google Classroom as well as in the.
Sir, we couldn't collect our books, so can you provide us the materials we need for city?
এই যে মেটেরিয়াল যেগুলো দিচ্ছি এগুলোই তো, এর বাইরে তো সিটি আসবে না। I will not prepare question paper from the Mars planet. Okay, whatever I taught you in my previous classes and as well as today's present class, so that will be the city. City syllabus হবে এই সপ্তাহে যা যা পড়াচ্ছি এই পর্যন্ত, আজকে এবং নেক্সট মেবি থার্সডেতে তোমাদের ক্লাস আছে এই পর্যন্ত। এটা হচ্ছে তোমাদের সিটি সিলেবাস। ওকে,
Sir, those who are new, completely new in this department, should we submit the past assignment?
of course you take time, don't but you have to assignment, deposit the assignment. If you don't deposit the assignment, your impression mark or there is a marks for the attendance, it will be, I will just কি বলবো, curtail. So I would like to see that you will get 5 out of 5% out of 5%. That is required. Okay, so gentlemen, now today's class I am going to start now. What was my last class? Anybody can help me? Marjana, are you there? Marjana?
Yes, sir.
তুমি বল, এটা সলভ করেছি, এটা solve the problem last class.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's great. আজকে অনেক ইজি হয়ে যাবে। So next problem will solve by you. This one. So who can solve, who can't solve? Those who are new today, I think for them I will solve this problem today. So at first everybody write down the question. Okay. Okay, now I am going to the whiteboard. Function to লিখে রাখি, দেখো x = 0 4 5 4 5 is that x = 3 first you have to decide that from the function here. Okay. So who is on the left hand? Who is on will be the right hand? So it is that left hand. Is that right hand? Right hand. Who? Those who are new, I'll ask them why. Question একটু দেখিয়ে নিই কারণ আমি তো পেয়েছি। আচ্ছা আমি এটা একটা রিয়েল লাইন ড্র করি। This is our real line. Suppose for real line the question is that 0.5, so it is 3. Suppose this one is 3 x less than 3, then again this part you can see that this is the right hand limit, it is also up to 4. Then it is that 3 less than it is 0. So if you think that this point is exactly 3, so which one is the left side? This side. This direction is the left side. So left side 3 up to going up to 0. So it is left hand limit. So for left hand limit, which function will be applicable? First one. F of x equal to 0 will be applicable. Again, is going to the right side. That means 3 to upwards. That means that side. So what is the limit? That this one x less than 4. X less than 4. That means 3 is less than 4. This is practically also true. So that's why this is right hand. So those who are new for them, from the point of point 3, so the left hand side will be left hand limit, right hand side will be right hand limit. And for the functions, for this side, which function will be applicable from here? It is 0, functional value. Then again for this one, it is functional value will be 5. I think now it is clear. This is not the part of the solution, but for your understanding that why you are taking 0 or why you are taking 5. I already write down in the solution process that f of 3 equal to 4, since it is already given here. Now left hand limit. So in case of the left hand limit, you see that we know the total value f of 3 plus s limit s tends to 0 f of 3 plus s. If it is the left hand limit, so there will be minus sign. So equal to what? Automatic value is given.
What did you write there for f of?
Sorry, বুঝি নাই বলো।
Sir, কি লিখেছেন স্যার? f of ব্র্যাকেটে কি লিখেছেন স্যার? Yes sir, sir.
বলো তো এবার, আমি বুঝি নাই তোমার কথা।
স্যার f এর ব্র্যাকেটের ভিতর কি লিখেছেন স্যার সেটা বুঝতে পারি না। লিমিট h টেন্ডস টু 0
f of 3 minus 6, f of 3 minus 6. It is the left hand limit, so it will be 3 minus s. Okay, so limit s tends to 0, f of 3 minus s equal to 0. Why? Value is already given. Again, right hand limit s tends to 0, f of 3 plus 8. Value is already given. What? 5. So left hand limit and not equal to right hand limit. Therefore, the function is not continuous at x equal to 3. So there's some comments or conclusion remarks here. Number 1, if a function is not continuous, so it will not be differentiable. But you can tell it, sir, why you are go for solving the remaining part. In some cases, you have to solve the remaining part for testing that it is differentiable or not. But from here, you make a comment or a statement that the function will not be differentiable. Okay. Again, if a function is differentiable, continuous, so the function may not be differentiable. May not be differentiable. But there's a thumb rule. If a function is not continuous, so it will never ever differentiable. This is the formula or thumb rule. Now we are going to solve for the differentiability. Differentiability. In case of this differentiability, we know the formula is that for left hand differentiability of what? 3. It is directly I am getting h tends to 0. Then in the formula minus s, then f of 3 minus h minus f of 3. This is our formula. So those who are new for them, I'm writing the problem again. Not it is not the may not require, but for it understand. If it is the fx of the function, so it is x plus x minus s f of x. Again, there's a minus c. So this is our formula. This is our formula for left hand differentiability. So put the value f of 3 minus s. You already know that this is 0. F of 3 equal to what? 4. Then it is there's a minus sign. So it is the result will be first 4 into minus cancel. I write down in details. Limit s tends to 0. 4 into 1 by x. So 4 into 1 by 8 means if you satisfy by 0, so 1 by 0 and so 4 into infinity, that means okay. I have some intention, that's why I write down the solution in details. I don't please. Now I'm going to the right hand differentiability. So same thing, just simply formula will be changed. For the minus sign will be plus sign. Okay, now this is our formula for right hand differentiability. So put the value like earlier. Who can help me? Let's see my students who are there.
Sir, 5 minus
মাহির বলো তো কি হবে এখানে
5 minus 4.
মাহির বলছো
Yes, sir.
হ্যাঁ মাহির বলো যে এটাকে কি বলবে 3 প্লাস s এর
5
5 minus
4 by 8.
so now we are doing again same way. So it is limit distance to 0 1 by s, that means 1 into infinity equal to infinity. So you see that, gentlemen, you can make a comment, sir. Left hand differentiability and right hand differentiability is same. That means infinity is equal to infinity. So it is differentiable. But few minutes back I told you that if a function is not continuous or discontinuous, so it will never ever differentiable, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now you can answer my question. I have a one query. Can you make a comment that Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal is equal? Size is equal.
No, sir.
The water quantity of water in Indian Ocean and quantity of water is Bay of Bengal is same.
No, sir.
No.
In math,
So in amount
It
of
can
water is infinite in Bay of Bengal, as well as the amount of water in Indian Ocean also infinite, isn't it? Can you measure it? যে পানিকে যে পাত্রে রাখা হয় ওটার আকার ধারণ করছে. So if you keep the water in Bay of Bengal, it is also infinite, but the area is covered, the area of this Bay of Bengal as well as Indian Ocean. So both are infinity, but it's not same. I think now you clear about the thing. Now I make a comment for this result. For the conclusion remark of the solution. Okay. This is fallacy. Single. It's not a finite number. এটা এই কমেন্টটা লিখতে হবে। Very finite. Finite number. That the letting that is the infinity or introducing the infinity is a. So then the functions কাজটা কি ছিল t এটা আমাদের r into 4 into infinity it means 4n again 1 into infinity to a therefore r f prime t not equal to f prime t that is I think now you are satisfied. 4i cannot be equal to a. Actually, I have solved the problem only for the new students, those who are actually don't know the procedure.
Sir, can you spell it? I can't speak clearly.
This is fallacy. This is fallacy. Infinity is not a finite number. Had it been a finite number a, আমরা ধরে নিলাম যে এই নাম্বারটা হচ্ছে ফাইনাইট নাম্বারটা হচ্ছে a, মানে ইনফিনিটিটা a. Then the functions will be মানে right hand divisibility and left hand differentiability. এর আগে লিখেছিলাম না 4 into 1 by h, again 1 into 1 by h, এটাকে 4 into infinity 1 into infinity equal to infinity এভাবে লিখেছিলাম, ওইটাকে জাস্ট আবার রিফ্রেম করব। Now I think it is clear to everyone. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Excuse me, now we are going to solve one more problem now. You please write down the question. Total number of students now it is 109, Attendance is 88 and participants also 84. Why I don't know.
Assalamualaikum, sir. Sir, I was disconnected because of electricity. Do I have to again give my attendance?
If you didn't give your attendance earlier, so you can give it now. Otherwise, if you are disconnected, don't record to give it again. Disconnected বারবার আসবে, বারবার দেওয়ার দরকার নেই। ঠিক। একবার দিলেই হবে। এটাতে আমি আরো প্রবলেম ফেস করব যখন আমি কেমে অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সটা দিতে যাব। Okay, gentlemen. So I think you already write down the question. So it is one function fx is defined as follows: fx equal to 1, x less than 0. If the values are x less than 0, that time the functional value is 1. Then 1 plus sin x, 0 less than equal to x less than half 5 by 2. Again 2 plus x minus 5 by 2 whole square. Then 5 by 2 less than equal to x. Those who are new, anybody can respond. Who's new here?
Yes, sir.
Who's name? What's your name?
So my name is Sumaya Shahrin Raba.
Maya Sharin Raba. Raba, tell me that which function is applicable for this continuity and differentiability x equal to 5 by 2? Which function?
Sir, 2 plus x minus 5 by 2, third one.
Very good, thank you. So that means you understand that the x equal to 5 by 2 is indicating this third function. Okay. Now I'm asking one more question. This third one, that if I write that 5 by 2 plus ace, which function will be applicable? Third one, very good. Again, 5 by 2 minus ace, which function will be applicable?
Second one.
Second one. Thank you. So I think now it is clear that you can solve it very easily. Start solving. I am also solving. Starting solving, you also solve. Okay, start solving. Let's see.
Second very good class. কি এক অবস্থা আরে চায় ক্লাস
Don't talk. Okay, you just solve.
আইয়ো শাকিল ভাই ক্লাস করে দেবেন তো চার্জার বেশি সুবিধা না চার্জ হইতে তাড়াতাড়ি যাইতেছে হ্যাঁ তখন ব্যাটারি যাও না কি চার্জের কোনো প্রবলেম কি রে ভাই নেট
So our function is that fx equal to 1, this one is that x less than 2, then second one 1 plus sin x. Okay, now we will start solving. Solution. Yeah.
স্যার ক্যামেরাটা একটু উপরে উঠবে ইয়েস স্যার
ক্লোজ করে দিই যাতে আর ক্লিয়ার আসে। Half 5 equal to our function is third one 2 plus x minus half 5 full square equal to 2 plus half 5 minus half 5 full square equal to 2. Now continuity. Continuity, left hand limit equal to f of limit tends to 0 f of half pi minus x is 1 plus sin x, isn't it? Half pi, it is half pi. 1 plus minus. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus sine of half pi minus x. So limit x tends to 0, 1 plus cos of x. If you put x tends to 0 here, so what is that? 1 plus 1. Now 1 plus 1 equal to 2. In right hand limit, this tends to 0. Half pi of this. So this is our third function. What we have solved here. This is the limit tends to 0, 2 plus half pi of this minus half pi whole square. It is coming limit this tends to 0. Half pi cancel 2 plus just that 2 if you can is equal to 0, so it is 2. Therefore left hand limit equal to right hand limit. That is, the function is differentiable at x equal to half pi. The function f x is differentiable at x equal to half pi. আমি এখানে লিখছি না function is
ডিফারেন্সিয়েবল নাকি
Sir,
continuous
it will be continuous.
continuous at x equal to this is our continuity part is over. Okay. Anybody have doubt? Okay. If you don't have, we'll do for the differentiability. I told you that if it is continuous, so it may be differentiable or may not be. So we'll test differentiability. So r prime of pi equal to limit x tends to 0. Our formula is that this is right. So it is causes f of half pi this minus f of half pi. So put all the values here.
Sir, it will be 0 by h.
F of half pi plus is a function as result of the third function. This one. So it is that 2 plus half pi plus this minus half pi whole square minus also directly can write down 2 since it is our value is 2. Okay. So limit distance to 0. This is here. Now you see that 2 cancel, half pi cancel. Now you will get that this is here. So directly you get that limit distance to 0 is equal to 0. Okay. Finish your writing. যাদের দেখতে অসুবিধা হয় আমাকে একটু বললেই হবে I can change the direction of So I think this part you can solve. Now we are going to the left hand differentiation. L f prime and half prime does this. So now main thing is that in the formula it is minus, there is a minus. So now put the value. Which function will be applicable? This one. Function 1 plus sin x. So it is minus is 1 plus sin x. Sin x. X means half pi minus s minus 2. So get minus is then 1 cos of s minus 2. So automatically you get that limit is close to 0. Cos x minus 1. Cos x minus 1. There is a minus s. Again, limit distance to 0. So this, if I take the minus sign is common, so you get that this minus sign is cancelled. 1 minus cos x divided by s. So to limit distance to 0. 2 sin square h by 2. Now it is s. Okay. Like this. So I can convert the value here for the form. So after this, here there it is sin limit is tends to 0. Sin is by 2 divided by sin is by 2. By 2 divided by h by 2 whole square into limit distance to 0, that is same sin h by half h or h by 2. You get that it is 1, it is 1 into 0 equal to 0. Therefore, left hand differentiability and right hand differentiability are equal. Please write down. So I think it is clear. Now conclusion remark. So what will be our conclusion remark? Since RF prime pi by 2 equal to left prime or 5. Therefore, function fx is differentiable at x equal to okay. Anybody have any query? I think you are mature enough and you understand this solution is very easy. If you practice properly, inshallah you can solve it. Exam hall very easily. Okay. Still, it is there. Anybody have query? You can ask. Okay. Now we are sharing the slide again. So this is finished. Now we are going to see the exercises part. Okay. In exercise, you can solve. I'll give assignment 3. for the solution of this problem. Okay, and next class I'll solve the differentiation. I will give you total 5 problems as an assignment 3. This problem will deposit in the next week before the exam. Okay, next week before the next week তুমি আগে ভাগে দিলেও সমস্যা নেই, বাট তুমি করে ফেলতে হবে কারণ এখান থেকে প্রবলেম পরীক্ষায় আসতে পারে। Okay, so there is a 2 problem here in this slide, exercise 4, then exercise 5, and the 2 problem, and exercise 6 I didn't write still the problem, so I'll rearrange, then I'll give you, upload it in the Google Classroom. So overall 2 problem today we have solved, and about the anybody have any doubt you can ask. Okay, in this space I'll asking one question. Okay, you see in the last part actually there's a 2 problem. You see, show that f of x equal to 0 is continuous at x equal to 0. Sorry, f of x is continuous at x equal to 0. There is a mistake, at x equal to 0, and test f prime x at x equal to 0. That means you have to find out the continuity and differentiability. Then you show that this is for x equal to 0. Again, you have to find out the continuity for x equal to minus 1. Now you can tell me, who will tell? Maisha. Maisha, tell me, for x equal to 1, which function is applicable in the above function? X equal to minus 1. Maisha? Maisha, are you there?
Sir, second number equation.
Very good, thank you. That means you understand the total process. So who will tell me? Chaudhary, roll 17. Tell me that which one is applicable for x equal to 0? Which function?
Sir,
Okay, there is a maybe,
first function or second? In
no, there is a in x
Uh,
equal to 0. I think there is a some mistake in this functional sign. Okay,
yes, sir.
I'll correct.
Maybe
There's a
first one.
okay,
might be.
I'll check it again, then I'll give you a short solution. Thank you. So up to this today, thank you very much. Anybody have any query, you can ask me.
Sir, if the problem says that we have to show the continuous and differentiable, we know that any discontinuous function will never be differentiable. So if we show the discontinuous, can we
You don't
also
refer
show
to
the
solve for the differentiability. So you try to make a conclusion remark is that, sir, I don't want to solve that differentiability part, but I request you everybody, or I suggest you everybody solve the test the differentiability part also for exam purpose. For any practical reasoning, you can tell directly that it is discontinuous since it is sorry, this it's not differentiable since it is discontinuous. Okay, for exam purpose you have to solve 2 part, continuity as well as differentiability. Okay, now I think it is clear.
yes sir.
থ্যাংক ইউ। এটা একটু চেক করে নি, যেহেতু এই অবস্থায় চেক করলে ভালো হয়। এতে কি যেন আছে, এখানে দুইটা লেস দেন ইকুয়াল হবে এটাতে, এই ফাংশন লেস দেন ইকুয়াল হবে। Okay, so gentlemen, thank you very much. Anyway, if you don't have query, I think it's still 84. Attendance is, participant is 84, but you are 109. I'm telling several times. You are 109, but you are 84. So at the end of the day, you don't cry for this. Sir, actually, you don't have, I could not attend the exam class because I don't have data, MB. I am in very remote place, network is not working. Please don't appeal for that. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Bye.